Want to know how to add security, which is PIN or biometric data for your payment options? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, simply open up your Messenger application. And once you have done that, on the bottom right side, you should be seeing this menu icon right here, the hamburger icon. Just simply select it. And once that is done, here you should be seeing settings. Just simply select settings. And once you have selected settings, you can just simply scroll all the way down until you see your services. So on the services, you should be seeing payments. That should be right below orders. Just simply select payments right here, and here you should be seeing security under add a payment method. So here you should also be seeing your PIN and biometric data. That is what we will be adding right now. So you can just simply select PIN to confirm payments or use biometric data instead of PIN. So you can just simply create a PIN first up and then again confirm it. And once that is done, you can just simply add up your biometric data and then just simply confirm for payment every single time. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. Have a good day and see you in the next one.